Good morning everyone. So food and nutrition is very important. I decided to make some video about cooking. Something simple, you can do quick and healthy as possible. As most of bodybuilders and fitness models, they eat in the morning like omelette, eggs and oats. But like in a month's time you will be so tired from just food, so you want to change something, make something different. So usually I try to make fresh food. Something you can cook pretty quickly, but now, today I don't have time, so cook everything in the morning, like breakfast we already have, and we'll cook some lunch and dinner, so we'll make some lazy soup, so vegetarian lazy soup, actually kind of chicken with the soup, and some couscous with mushrooms. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we will start with the couscous, so like any grains like buckwheat or rice, not clean rice of course. So I put in the water for some time, for salt water, let's say for night time or so, and after you can cook it like really quick. So let's start it. And we will cook some mushrooms with it. So basically I eat a lot of mushrooms, a lot of beans, so perfect source of protein, but it digests quite long time. And yeah, mushrooms is quite difficult to digest, but the good thing is not make you fat. Okay, so for the soup, we'll make it like in a really super healthy way, because if you boil something or fried vegetables, whatever, yeah, it's delicious, but after 50 degrees all the vitamin is broken. So we will make only hot water with the spices, would make like nice smell and taste, and we add like raw vegetables to it. So, but we boil only tofu and beans. It's quite enough, like some sort of protein, and we will add like raw vegetables, so it will be like super healthy soup, something like that. So you can take any spices or ingredients like up to your taste, or for example you can buy some red one in stores like for Chinese style, or we have like Thai style, and you like, or you can take some spices, ingredients and mix by yourself. It depends what you like. So each time you can try something different, so it might give a different taste. So for not make it the same time all over again, so I try mix some different ingredients, so each time it gives you a new taste. So basically similar dish you can eat each time, and it feels like something new. Otherwise you will be tired from the same thing like in a week time. Especially when you eat only buckwheat or only oats or only eggs or beans, like every day it's the same and it's all nutrients you need, and you get tired from the food. So I try to change something, make something different. Okay, so let's get started with the spices. Nothing complicated, just lemongrass, ginger. So we put it in hot water, we will boil it a little bit. Sometimes I put spices just in cold water and it's like absorb enough water, and after it just get boiled, so it makes the process quicker. But it depends what spices you use. Also we put a little bit chili, garlic, onion, add some spices to it. I don't know, like ginger, tamarind I like so much, so I try to put it like everywhere. And it make like a kind of piquant taste. Yeah, we cut it on a small pieces. It will make quicker as well. But when I'm in rush, I just, for a soup, just for the smell and taste, I just put the big pieces as it from cuttings. Okay, everything in process. And yeah, we will additionally to our soup and couscous, we will cook some mushrooms, vegetables. So basically any vegetarian dish you can cook like really easily, so you just mix some vegetable, like basically any vegetables you have, you can mix it and make some nice dish, same like with the soup. Anything you have in the fridge, but you know, like when you have time go to buy groceries and you came home and just open the fridge or whatever and look, alright, what do we have? Like not a big choice. Some onion, potato, some mushrooms, whatever. Okay, you can do something with that. Like anything you have, if you have like a couple ingredients like pumpkin, beetroots, whatever, at least you can do some salad or make a mashed soup. So basically just up to your imagination. We'll get everything prepared first, clean. It's very important, just wash everything clean, check your grains, not stones there, nothing. So I think for that kind of chicken soup, it might spend about 15 minutes. Couscous and fried mushrooms, about 15 minutes as well. So it's like, might be done like super quick. So some people think like for cooking you need to spend so much time, it's better to eat somewhere, but you don't know how they cook it somewhere. It might be not healthy enough, and after you're surprised why you're not so fit how you want to be. But when you do everything by yourself, you know how much carbohydrates there is, no like any preservatives or something that make taste stronger or whatever. No sugar and so on. Greens, basically greens you can add to anything, any kind of greens you have, and vegetables, like salad you can add to anything as well. Better to eat it raw, instead you cook it. Lime is something you can add as well. Might can taste quite different. Chili. I don't know, I not use much, so maybe half it will be okay, but if someone likes spicy food, but you should be careful with that. Spicy food is good for increase your metabolism and so on, but it's not so good for your stomach and digestive system. So it shouldn't be like too much. Like let's say Mexican or Asian food, they do it like really a lot. So I prefer to add some garlic or onion. It's not so spicy, but still make taste more interesting. And kind of bitter food, a little bit spicy, it might increase your appetite. So if you decide to gain some weight, you can add some ingredients to increase your appetite. Raw garlic and onion are just perfect for anything. They have special ferments and vitamins like what make you healthier and kill some bacteria, some bad bacteria. This garlic like would be giant. Hopefully it's natural, but I bought it from market, but still I try to buy on the market some food what people really grow by themselves, but still a lot of just people resell. And we know markets, so they have no idea it's genetic modified, it's natural or not. But some people they eat it from their own. So they have some small farms or small gardens and they sell spices. And everything, so I just try to be as healthy as possible and what I wish to do as well, because like sometimes you buy ingredients in the supermarket and it tastes way not the same when you buy it from market. Even like things like garlic or onion, it's like smell and taste not the same at all. And a lot of vegetables like cucumber or onion, it tastes like nothing. It tastes like plastic, have no smell. It's like really strange. So mostly explained because it was grown in a glass house with hydroponic and so on, and have much light and whatever. So our couscous will be ready soon. So we fried the mushrooms. It will take like quite quick. Our soup ingredients is boiled already. So like we have a hot water with the spices. So we add some oil. It can be butter or like sunflower oil, any other oil. If you have natural olive oil. So it's like sort of good fat. Instead, when you boil it, so it will be not so good fat already. And we will cut and add some vegetables to it. So that's it. Quite simple and quick, as you see. Small greens is better. So also add some seeds to the soup, so may add some good fats as well. And we have cooked tofu. I cooked it already, and we have already beans. So I cooked beans already. But when you eat beans like every day, you get like really tired. So black beans, red, yellow, whatever. And if you boil it in your soup, so it gives you a color, like red or black or yellow. So we cooked already, so when you add it to the soup, it will be like transparent water, and you can see all those ingredients, so it looks much nicer. So add it, ready cooked beans to our soup already. Because it's boiled, it smells good. So basically it's ready. You can add some vegetables on the top. Some beans, some tofu, you can add some nuts if you want to. And okay, additionally if you eat eggs, you can mix some eggs like for omelette and add some eggs as well. So make quite nice taste. It seems like our mushrooms done. So we can add our mushrooms and some spices and vegetables, and we can add it to our couscous. So it will be proper, slow carbohydrates with fibers and protein. So healthy enough. So it's very quick and easy, as you said. So next time we'll cook something else, but still I want to focus it on something healthy and with a good nutrition, basically all nutrition you need.